Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, it's a really cold day. This morning, it was in the teens and the wind chill was 2 degrees. Now, it's got up to about 20 degrees and the wind chill's been around 7 to 9. So, it's real cold out, so I thought I'd warm up the kitchen by making a cake. And this cake is called Catch a Husband Cake. So it must be really good. What you're going to need is 2.5 cups of flour, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1.5 cups of regular milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of butter. For the icing, we're going to need 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of shredded coconut. Now mine's sweetened. I don't know if it just wanted regular coconut, but I have sweetened coconut. Okay, in my mixer, I'm going to put the sugar and the butter. Get it all out. I softened the butter a little bit in the microwave. Then we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to cream this together. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs. I'll just add them one at a time. It doesn't say to do all this, it just says to mix it, but I'm just going to do it like this, how I do the other cakes. Now I'm going to add the milk and the coconut milk. And mix that together. Okay, now I'm going to add the flour a little bit at a time. Okay, we got all that mixed up. It says that it's supposed to be a really thin batter, so I hope this turns out. Okay, it doesn't say to add vanilla, but I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla to it. Seems like most cakes have vanilla. Okay, let's get it in the pan. Okay, I have a Bundt cake pan sprayed. We're going to try to fit all this in here. And it is very thin. Hopefully we'll see how it turns out. Okay, now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven from 30 to 60 minutes, depending on your oven. The cake's almost done, so we're going to make the icing. You want to put in the 1 cup of coconut milk, the 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the 1 cup of coconut. And it says to simmer this until it resembles sweetened condensed milk. And then we'll be back. Okay, here the cake is out of the oven. Let's just hope and pray that it doesn't stick. Oh, that came out nice. That's good. Okay. I'm going to let this cool just a little bit. It says to put it on the warm cake, but I'm just going to let it cool a little bit. Here's how the icing turned out. Sort of thick. And we'll pour that over when it cools off just a little bit. Okay, this is cooled about 5-6 minutes. I'm going to just pour this all on the top. Let it just go all over the cake. Now we'll just let that soak in. We'll be back for a taste test. Probably let it go for about an hour or so. Okay, here it is plated up. Doug, Daniel, give it a try.
Get some of my goodies here. Delicious.
It's got like it's a different texture than cake. It's more custardy like.
Mm-hmm. It's real good.
Very good. All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams, one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching, from near and far. Your support, it brightens, just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holman's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.